Hello, I am Professor X. Let's solve this interesting geometry problem step by step. We will be using combinations to count the shapes formed by a set of points. First, let's identify our data. We have 10 points in total. Our objective is to find three things: the number of straight lines, the number of triangles, and the number of quadrilaterals that can be formed using these points. Our objective is to find three things: the number of straight lines, the number of triangles, and the number of quadrilaterals that can be formed using these points. Look at the diagram on the right. You can see the 4 points aligned on a single straight line, while the other 6 are scattered. To find the number of straight lines, we use the formula NC2 minus MC2 plus 1. 10C2 is 45, and 4C2 is 6. For triangles, we need 3 points. The total combinations are 10C3, which is 120. Finally, for quadrilaterals, we need 4 points. Total ways are 10C4, or 210. We must subtract the case where all 4 points are collinear, which is 4C4, and the cases where 3 points are collinear and 1 is not, which is 4C3 times 6C1. That's 210 minus 1 minus 24, resulting in 185 quadrilaterals. In summary, we found 40 lines, 116 triangles, and 185 quadrilaterals by correctly applying combination formulas and adjusting for collinearity. If you have any doubts, use the doubt box below.